Alright guys, we're gonna do a quick tutorial. I'm gonna try to go over as many features as possible. Just gonna do something simple. Fedex logo is pretty simple. I'm not gonna give you a download link. If you can't download that on your own, you can't do anything. Open the file, obviously, Fedex logo, open. Double click that, hit template, that will dim it. I do 75, I think 50% is a bit dark. You can scroll up and down. Do whatever you want. Doesn't have to be 75. So then we're going to make a couple layers. You hold Alt to zoom in and out. So P for pen tool, zoom in. You hold Shift to make the lines perfectly straight. I'm going to do this with the Pathfinder. The outline, we're going to press I. It's an eyedropper tool. Shift X, and that's going to make it just an outline. So now we're going to come around and make this shape here. We're going to Shift X, use our Pathfinder tool, and we're going to subtract from. We have our F. Now L for ellipse tool, hold Shift, that'll keep it as a perfect circle, and you're pressing spacebar. That's how I'm dragging it around, holding spacebar. And when you have it in position, just let go of your mouse. Shift X, ellipse again, Shift spacebar, same technique. Go, Shift X, slash for the line tool. If you can't see through it, you can drop your opacity right here. Drop down to 50%, you're good, you can see through it. Slash for line tool. Click and drag right through there. Hold Shift. I don't like where it is, spacebar to move it. Drop it. Like that. Shift click on your line. We're going to do divide. So after that, you divide, right click on group, click on the bottom half, drag it down. Hold Shift and that'll keep it straight down. Now we're going to come off of this shape. Click right on that path, come out, down, back in. So now we're going to bring our opacity back up to 100%. Same thing with this shape. You don't want any weird, annoying opacity issues. So take these two, we're going to unite. We're going to make this one a solid again. Click on the united shape, click on the main shape, subtract from. Click on both of those. Banner 9. Got that. Drop down if you're having issues like me. It's because the shape went behind. So that wouldn't work. Now minus front. Back to the ellipse tool. This one's not a perfect circle, so you're not going to hold Shift this time. Keep spacebarring it till you get in the right spot. Drop it. It's just a tutorial, doesn't have to be perfect. Drop the opacity. L for ellipse tool. Bring it back up. Subtract from. Oh, actually we'll do that after. Sorry. P for pen. We're going to do this part right here. Unite these two shapes. Now we will subtract the from. range, send to back. Now it will work. So same thing, P for pen tool. You're right on this anchor point right now. Why not? We'll do Pathfinder again. Oh, I'm sorry. V, click on this, Control 2, and that will lock it for you so you're not editing the shape as you're making your new shape off of it. I for eyedropper, make it orange. Click on it, let's drop that opacity. P for the pen tool. Now we're going to do these. I bring that opacity back up. Tract front. Tract front. Now what we're going to do, we'll lock this again so we're not messing with it. So we're going to come off right off the same anchor point, shift, make it perfectly straight line. Unfortunately you can't shift here because they're not at 45-degree angles. So we're going to have to just get it as aligned as best as we can by eye. Shift, bring it across. Meet right back there. Click on your line, right click, transform, reflect. We're going to do a vertical, not a horizontal, a vertical. As you can see, sideways reflect. We're going to do copy, bam, we have our X. Select both, we're going to do unite. Now ellipse tool again. Hold shift because this one is a perfect circle. Drop it, shift X, that creates it into an outline. That swaps your outline and your fill when you do that. This is what shift X is essentially doing. T for our text tool. Delete that, capital R. Click out. Make the box smaller. You really don't have to, it doesn't really matter. This is how you change your fonts right here. You can scroll. You want to just check out different fonts. But we're not going to do that right now. Let's just put it on here. Boost the size up. Doing the same thing. I'm just scrolling my middle mouse wheel up. Okay, so you see it's a little off. We're also gonna eyedrop, make it orange. We go to Object, Expand. So now we can drag it sideways. So it's more like the actual R that's in the picture. There you go. Oh, we'll raise the stroke up too. And that's your first logo. I like the whole thing. Let's unlock the E, let's unlock that D. Group it together. Now it's all on one layer. Old logo, logo you made.